Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Canab and today I'll be showing you guys how I made this really easy and simple flatbread. I had this when I was in Turkey last year and it's so good. It's in Turkish it's called bazlama, but you can call it pita bread, flatbread, call it what you like. It's really good and really simple and delicious. And I really hope you guys enjoy this because this is a very versatile flatbread. You can eat it so many ways. So inshallah, let's get to the recipe. So you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of warm milk, and a little bit of oil to the side, and then we'll just add as we go, and 2 tablespoons of instant active yeast. Like I said, this recipe is so simple. It doesn't need a whole lot of ingredients. And basically right now I'm just adding all my ingredients, and you don't have to ferment the instant yeast or anything like that. You can literally dump all the ingredients. I left out a tiny bit of milk because I didn't want my dough to be too wet, but like I said, you could just add everything together. And now I'm adding my 2 tablespoons of instant active yeast, but you can add 1 tablespoon as well. So it's last time I did it that way and it still turned out the same. This time I put 2 tablespoons because I wanted this bread to rise really fast. I was rushing to get this video done and my house is really cold, so I added 2 tablespoons, but you can add 1 tablespoon is fine. And now I'm adding basically 1 tablespoon of just regular oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, doesn't matter. All kinds of oil works. And then you just knead it. Kneading this dough literally does not take, it should take you less than 5 minutes. And then it comes together and then basically you just cover it in plastic bag and then put like some kind of lid on top so that it can hold the moisture, and then put it somewhere warm. And basically that's it. After 36 minutes later, my dough doubled in size, and then it really is just simple, you guys. Like I said, and then you take it out of the bowl, and then you just cut it in half, and then that half you cut it into 4 pieces. And basically this recipe you can make about 8 pieces. You could even sneak one in and make 9 if you cut the other ones a little bit smaller. But I made about 8. So yeah, like I said, it's really simple. You just shape the dough and then you roll it. The thinner you make this, the more it'll puff up. So just make it really nice and thin. And how big you want it is honestly up to you. I like mine to be like the size of my palm, like kind of like covering my hand. As you can see, like that. That's the kind of size I like. And then you put it somewhere for 10 minutes. You leave it and then you cook it. Like I said, it's really simple and easy, and it'll puff up. Like the thinner you make it, the more it'll puff up. And then you just cook it on medium heat. You don't want your dough to burn, so. And then if you put it on low, it's gonna take forever. So medium is like the perfect heat. And then you just kind of like flip it back and forth. If you want that puffing action, just kind of flip it back and forth every couple of seconds, and then it'll puff up for you. Not all of them will puff up, and that's fine, and they all taste the same. So, but whenever it puffs up, it's always so fun. I'm like, I get all excited and happy. But yeah, like as you can see, it puffs up and it's really nice. And once you're done making all your flatbread, basically get like melted butter. Put it on top, especially like if you put melted salted butter, it's so good. And then you can chop up like chives, or you can chop up some cilantro. I even did it with like garlic and cilantro last time, and then I put it on top with melted salted butter. It's so good. This time I added chives. So yeah, basically that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And inshallah, I'll be posting more videos in the future to come. Like I said, thank you, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, and Ramadan Mubarak, by the way.